Turn your ChatGPT skills from rookie to pro in just few minutes. I will be fast about it. Let's go. Number one, break down your complex questions into small parts. Don't ask ChatGPT for many instructions at once. Instead, break down your instructions one by one so that you can get a perfect result. Number two, give ChatGPT a personality and a job title at the same time. For example, if you need to ask it about a specific niche, then ask ChatGPT to act as an expert person in that niche. So if you're asking, let's say, about an electrical fault, instead of stating the problems you're facing directly, do what follows. First, ask ChatGPT to imagine itself as a 20 years experienced electrical engineer working in the field of electrical faults and maintenance. Second, tell ChatGPT your problem and how can you fix it. You won't believe what difference this could make. Number three, rename your chat. If you use ChatGPT regularly, then you should rename each search to know which searches are the important and which ones was quick search. Also, delete the quick and old searches. This will keep you well organized. Number four, use temporary chats. If you're doing a quick search, then temporary chat is the best option. In temporary chat, whatever you type won't be saved to ChatGPT's memory and won't affect any future responses. Whenever you finish your search, just turn off the temporary chat and you're done. Number five, you should clear ChatGPT's memory from time to time. Sometime you notice that ChatGPT's responses are weird. Over time, ChatGPT can collect a lot of data in its memory, and this can mess its ability to respond correctly. So from time to time, just clear ChatGPT's memory. 6. Tell ChatGPT to explain to a 10-year-old. If you're looking for an explanation for something, tell ChatGPT to explain for 10 years old. This way, ChatGPT will give you the simplest answer. 7. Tell ChatGPT to improve your prompts. Here's how. Enter your prompt and then ask ChatGPT what follows. You are now my prompt engineer. Your job is to rewrite any prompt I give you into a perfect version that gets the best possible results from ChatGPT. If you find this video useful, just hit the like button and subscribe to Profit with AI.